So that's a 2-cell what size battery? 500 or something?
No. 300.
300. 2-cell. XT90?
No. The little red one.
Oh. JST, I think. Alright, we're gonna see how this little Tundra flies out here. It's kind of windy. Kind of windy. Super duper windy for that Tundra for sure. But we'll see how that works. Does that come with the gyro already on it or no?
No.
No gyro? Oh damn. Have you flown that yet?
Nope.
Maiden flight. Nice.
I didn't even check any throws either. I just 50%, 75%.
You have like low and high rate and stuff?
Yeah. Cool. When I crash it.
It's gonna be a handful probably.
If it even takes off. Yeah.
There she goes. That's a good looking thing. Yeah, hopefully I can keep track of this thing. Let's look at it before it takes off. Looks like a New York plane. All that graffiti.
Ready?
Yep, ready.
Hopefully I don't crash it.
You already do your control checks?
Yep. Run!
Aileron!
It's like 100% here. Elevator. Rudder.
Oh, yeah. How's it feel?
Squirrely.
Squirrely?
It's alright though. It's gotta be easy on the sticks.
Oh, man. You have to trim it or anything?
No. That's half flaps.
Half flaps?
Full flaps.
Didn't seem like it ballooned up, did it?
No, well, I'm going towards the wind. Barely giving it aim. I didn't even check any throws or anything, dude. I was like, fuck it. Flies pretty good.
Nice. Does it feel like it has enough power?
Kind of.
Yeah, it's probably not fair to even rate it yet because it's so wind. For this little plane, it's pretty windy out here.
Totally windy. That's a little ballooning. Unlimited vertical.
If vertical was sideways. Unlimited horizontal. I think I can chase this thing down.
Run it over.
Yeah, probably. Well, yeah. She's pretty squirrely.
Not bad though.
It's like you can't even hear anything.
Yeah, it's lying sideways.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Oh.
What happened?
I just lost control.
What?
Took it.
There it is. Yeah, well, at the same time I lost it.
Definitely better. It would fly better if there was like absolutely no wind.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So it's probably a beginner plane when there's no wind, but then an advanced plane when it's windy.
I don't know about beginner. You put a gyro on it maybe. Other than that, it's like
Pretty sketchy.
swirly as hell. Yeah. I'm barely moving any sticks to make it work or to fly.
Where the heck did it go? There it is.
High speed shit right there, man.
That is high speed. 30 seconds.
Presentation pass right there.
20 seconds.
The flaps on?
Yeah, full flaps. Landing.
Landing. Landing! Whoa! Oh,
Landed.
landed.
Not bad.
Alright, so 4 minutes of flying.
Might have been too long.
It might have been a little too long. Maybe that was just your battery dying at the end there.
Probably. Oh yeah, too long.
Oh my god. Well, I mean it's not that bad, but it's
14%.
well, I mean if it would have been like 3.5 per cell, then maybe it would have been too long.
Still pretty good.
So that's not that bad.
I'm gonna change the time though.
Alright, so the verdict really is that we feel like it should have been down, the timer should have been put down to about 3:30, so that way you have a little bit more reserve in the battery. Other than that, it wasn't too bad. Seemed like the power was good
On a windy day.
on a windy day. On a windy, somewhat warm Maine day. I mean, for a little plane that has flaps, that's not bad. If it had lights, that would have been over the top.
Then it would have been cool.
What's the, is this foam? Yeah, this is
It's like
foam.
hard foam.
Hard foam. But the styrofoam seems pretty sturdy, so that plane should be pretty good as far as durability is concerned. And that color scheme, oh my god. Looks like it got lost in New York and they spray painted the heck out of it.
I thought it was a train car.
Yeah, exactly. Oh well, at least it survived.